Alright, the radiator has these two tabs that go into these two washers. They just slip in, and then there's some nuts and bolts that go into the top. So we want to put the doohickeys in the holes and get the overflow hose through the bail. Alright, once the radiator's in position, we put the bolts in. Alright, and there's the bolt and the washer and the nut. And the bolt requires an 8mm and the nut requires a 10mm. And so we'll snug this up a little bit and then go around the other